I decided to quit my 9 to 5 job and pursue YouTube full time. So YouTube is a social media platform that allows creators to earn a living, earn a lot of money, earn a huge amount of money on the platform by creating videos. Unlike a traditional 9 to 5 job where you have a fixed salary, you have $80,000 a month. You can't make more than that no matter what you do, unless you do overtime if the company offer overtime. With YouTube, you don't have a fixed barrier. This month you can make $80,000, the next month you can make $300,000. It's just how the platform is. Unlike your traditional 9 to 5 job that box you in a corner, YouTube give you the freedom that allows you to do whatever. If you want to say, hey, be your own boss, YouTube offer that. If you want more free time, YouTube is very flexible. If you want money, well, create content, you get a lot of money. Easy said than done. Trust me, it's not that easy. So if you are a YouTube creator, you just started out on the platform, right? And you believe that you're just gonna start YouTube and you're just gonna automatically be your own boss, automatically start making $300,000, $400,000, finance yourself and all that. It's not so easy, and I would say my advice to you is stick with your 9 to 5 job while pursuing YouTube. Because if you're a small YouTuber and you're gonna take that leap, because that is a big leap, it's like you're taking a big risk. Say for instance you're a small YouTuber that started out 1 year ago. 1 year ago you have a small following, but you are making like $200 per month. That's like $30,000 per month on YouTube, and your 9 to 5 job is providing you $80,000. With that gap, I wouldn't advise you to jump from your 9 to 5 job where you are currently making $80,000 to pursue YouTube. You are making $30,000. I wouldn't advise that. What I would advise you do though is work on YouTube in the background while pursuing your job. Because if both of them combined, you manage to work on YouTube, you manage to stick with your 9 to 5 job, you will be making $110,000 with both of the incomes combined. You're making more beneficial to you than you will say, hey, okay, I'm making $30,000 now, let me quit my job and do YouTube full time. Then you are at a risk because YouTube is not consistent. This month you probably make $400,000. Just example, you make $400,000 this month. Next month you probably make $30,000. With such dynamic, you want to have something that you can depend on, right? Because what if, say for instance, you get 3 YouTube strike, then your channel is down. What next? Everything that you work for 4 months, you publish a video, for some reason someone in the background says some expletive, or for some reason one of your videos go against the YouTube community guideline, and YouTube strike one of your videos, and for some reason your channel get deleted or something. Then what's next? Your only source of income is now terminated. Then you're back to square one. You probably have to get a 9 to 5 job again. Or if you didn't have enough money saved up to keep you going until you can recover and find a next job, then you are screwed. So it's best when you're a small YouTuber, don't take that transition as yet. Work on your craft, grow your following while do your 9 to 5 job. On weekends, if you are saying that 9 to 5 job is taking too much of your time, then work on your side project in the evening, on holidays. Spend some little night, instead of going to your bed 9 o'clock, go to your bed 1 o'clock. Try to work, make it work, but don't jump make that transition as yet, because YouTube, as I said, is not something that you can depend on. It is constantly changing. You will make 4,000 this month, 4,000 US this month. Oh, that's a lot of money. Next month you just make $100. That's how it is. So yeah. I don't know what else to say. Run out of things to say. But yes guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Thanks for watching. Hope you do enjoy this video, and remember, take that first step today.